Let's see how to copy a page in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And see right here, we have our text. And let's say that we want to copy that text into another page. So first, to open up a new page, let's go over to the Insert tab and click on Blank Page. This should open up a new page for you. And to copy the contents of the page that you want to copy, just drag your cursor and highlight the text, click Copy or Control C on your keyboard. And then scroll down, click Paste, or simply Control V, as you can see here. Unfortunately, Microsoft does not have a page copy, but rather you have to copy the contents of that page manually and paste it into another blank page. That is all. I hope you learned something, and I hope you know now how to copy a page in Microsoft. See you soon!